Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, welcome back to FreshTalk. Today, hello, hi.
Hi,
Please tell us your name.
I'm Sonia Zeta from Lodi.
Okay, and
I myself, Ilam Perez,
Boda from Lodi, right? Okay. Okay, here is a question for you. Who is Assam guys you find most attractive and beautiful? You just choose a community, okay?
Assam guy.
Assam guys, yeah, long Assam.
I'll choose Devi Naga.
Jemi Naga.
Yeah.
What about you?
Myself too.
Jemi Naga. Okay. Hello.
Hi,
Okay, please tell us your name.
my name is Franklin Palmer.
Franklin Palmer. Okay, here is one question for you.
Okay,
Are you ready to answer?
sure.
Okay, the question is like this. Which Assam girls you find more beautiful and attractive? Which community?
Okay, Assam or the North?
I only ask about Assam.
Okay, so far I know the most beautiful people in Assam, no?
Yeah.
That is maybe Assamese.
Assamese.
Yeah.
Okay, you like Assamese, right?
Yeah.
Why you choose Zemenaga?
I choose Devi Naga because the traditional attire of Devi Naga is very attractive and Devi Naga boys are cool, more handsome, yeah. They look a bit like a Korean, so I love Devi Naga.
Zemenaga the best.
Yeah.
So your Zemi, that is what you may say.
No, it's not like that.
Oh, I think because I'm handsome, that's what you're saying. I don't think. Oh, okay. Okay. Anyway, thank you for your. Please tell us your name.
Oh, my name is Asri.
Asi. Okay, here is a big question for you. So the question is like this: which Assam girls you find more attractive? I mean, it's our state. Which girl you like most? Which community?
Mizo is the
Best.
yeah.
Please tell us your name.
Myself, I'm Achang Lazemi and I'm from Haflong.
Flo.
I'm Priscilla from Haflong.
Yeah, nice to meet you. And anyway, here is one question for you. Which Assam guys you find more attractive and beautiful?
I think, in my point of view, I'd like to choose Jeme.
Zeme.
Yeah.
And yours?
Me also, same.
Zeme.
Yeah.
From top to bottom, if I happen to think, then I prefer Jeme to be the best. Because you see,
Okay.
from the heart also we need to, not only for the appearance, but from the heart also we need to know the people, right?
Yeah.
Only an outward appearance is not everything. So in my opinion, I prefer to choose Jeme. That's it.
That is the reason, right? That's the reason. And why you choose Assamese people that it is best and most attractive people?
Because in my opinion, and these Assamese people they are very expert in dressing and the complexion, and moreover they are rich. So the way they're dressing and the way their complexion, the way they maintain their attire, that is the most attractive things for me.
You're living in Assam, that is why you may choose
No,
Assamese also.
No, it's not like that because I always attracted Assamese people. So I
Okay. Is there anyone? I mean,
Apart from
any special from Assamese people?
no special.
I don't think. Okay, thank you so much for your answer.
Color also, the tradition of the Jeme people, I feel like it is the most attractive color among all the traditions.
Alum.
Yes.
Okay. Which Assam girl you find more attractive? Bete. Hello, beautiful ladies.
Hi.
Okay. Which Assam guys you look most beautiful?
I like Manipuri guys.
Manipuri guys. Rang Nula. And yours? Azila. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Here is a question for you. Nang may Assam bang punya sih? Assam punya ba? You all are from Assam, right? So the question is like this. Assam ga zataki mela sih? Bo bam beroga. Nang may nang pa bega lui iba zai da rang iba attractive da ting ko zat nang may na. Sulte wa ya. Nang may zimbe na zimbe le kasi ko ma ko ai.
Because they have a well body structure, they are well built, what to say, personality and
Speak some Mizo word. Just try. Only ka tizong ka.
My name is Peram Nema.
Ram name and yours? Ihui. Mizo is the best. Why you choose Mizo?
Because they are very good personality
And with him personality.
yeah,
Okay,
and
then.
the dressing sense also.
Okay.
That's why I like Mizo people.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Please, girls you find more attractive in our state, I mean in Assam.
For me, facial beauty doesn't matter to me. So
So,
it will be utilized within a heart.
Heart.
So
okay. Does it Meter. Polar equal, right?
Yes.
Other tribes, myself also I do like all the tribes, okay, no doubt. All the traditions, their dress is colorful, but in comparison to all the tribes, I feel like Jimmy tribe tradition is the best.
Jimmy
Like, yeah.
tribe is the best.
It's me Lungbuing Daime.
Hazime ilay lo, hazime prima ram ka to mo kalse. To se pe bedi se. Adang pe tu rang ini me ni. Po gì nè, chúng mình chút chút cô quay. Dạ, người ta tung pe la rang ini me. Đó sẽ mình nó cũng me. Okay, okay. Say something no em na to more attractive in our state. Manipuri. Why you choose Manipuri?
They are good in complexions.
Yeah, good in complexion.
I like the traditional dress. They have a good figure. They have good complexions. They have a good faces. And most of the Manipuri girls are.
Which Assam girls you find more attractive?
Jeme
Zeme.
girls.
You like Zeme girls? Why?
Okay, my name is Leva Diamond.
Okay. Why you choose Zeme?
Because Jeme girls is beautiful
Beautiful
and
and
smart.
smart. And then,
I like dresses.
oh, you like the way they dress, right? Okay, thank you.
My friend is feeling nervous, I guess, but
No, not actually. I really nervous, but yeah, of course I like every tribe.
You like every tribe.
Yeah, like we need to stay united, no? But yeah, if you give me the chance to choose, then maybe Mar.
Why
Like
you choose?
the way-
Why you choose smart?
Mar means like no, I don't know, but they are
They are
so like even
they are like
girls,
They are like.
like girls, and also in their class we often find like they are so what to say, they stay so strong and all, and they are so united. No? When there are some problems, they stay together. They are united.
And what about boys?
Boys, no. If we come, we say like there's a bit. Sometimes they are rough also, but still, no.
Yeti.
Bete. Why you choose Bete? Please tell us.
Because they are so attractive. Because my dressing style.
They are good in dressing.
Yes.
Only
Good in personality.
good in personality.
Yes. That's it.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye.
Which girls you find more attractive in our state?
Mostly is Mizo,
So why you choose Mizo?
because I like the region because when they meet to the guests, they speak properly, and then the way they speak and the tune,
You like yes.
and also their wording.
So okay, thank you so much for your trip. Today giving a full coffee for us. So we fill up our stomach and now we go from a restaurant. If you like our videos, please never forget to subscribe and share with your friend.